Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you add your business and product to your Google account. So all you have to do, just go up, you click here on the sign in app, then it's going to show for you a list like this, and you click here on settings, then it's going to take you here to settings window, just click here on sync, and you go down here, you click here on Google activity controls, then it's going to take you to next step here. So just switch into open video like this, you go down, you click here on say all activity controls here and down, and you just go down here. So then you click here on go to your Google account, then it's going to take you to next step here. So just switch into open video like this, you go up here, you swipe right here, and you click here on people and sharing. So then it's going to take you to next step. So just go down here, and all you have to do now, so just click here on business personalization, or you just click here on add your business and products to Google. You will click here, and here you add your business name and your business category, and you click here on next. It's going to take you to next window and add your information, and it's going to add video. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.